So here are 5 reasons why 99% of people that invest in cryptocurrency end up losing money. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below, or if you have any questions whatsoever or you want me to cover a specific topic, drop it in the comment section below. And now let's jump right into the video. We all know cryptocurrency provides one of the best opportunities to make life-changing money. I'm talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars, maybe even hundreds of millions of dollars. In my opinion, cryptocurrency is the best place to make some money. Also, a lot of new investors end up losing a ton of money investing in crypto. So in today's video, we will cover 5 of those reasons, and make sure you watch until the very end so you do not end up making one of these mistakes. Personally, I have made some of these mistakes myself, and I have learned my lesson the hard way. And now let's talk about reason number 1 why people lose money investing in crypto. And that is, they want to become rich overnight. They invest $1,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 into a crypto, and they expect that $1,000 to become $1 million overnight. Don't get me wrong, some coins can provide you 100% or even 1,000% gains in a single day. But the majority of the big profits that are made in crypto are by people that hold for a very long time, diamond handing everything. A lot of people want instant results, so they end up chasing one hot coin after another, and then they end up losing their money instead of focusing on awesome projects and simply investing in them and waiting to get massive returns. This is very difficult in crypto, especially if you invested in a good project and then 1 week goes by, it doesn't do anything. 1 month goes by, it doesn't do anything. And then you're like watching all these other coins go up 50%, 100%, and you tell yourself, dude, I can sell this good project, then I can hop on this one that is trending right now and I can make some money. But then as soon as you sell and you end up buying this hot coin that is trending right now, the coin stops trending, and then the coin that you sold goes up 50%, 100% the following day. This has happened to me multiple times, and I have definitely learned my lesson, and now I do not chase trending coins. I do not care if I miss out on 50% profits or 100% profits. If you jump on this train and you end up jumping from one coin to the other, in the long term, most likely you're going to end up losing money. Also, I want to mention this as well. A lot of people invest in the stock market. They buy a stock, they hold it for 1 year, 2 years, even 3 years just to make 50% on that stock. But for some reason, people that invest in crypto, they do not want to wait 1 year or 3 years or 5 years. They want instant results. But if you look at history, if you simply hold in crypto, you end up getting massive gains. All right, now let's move on to the second reason why people end up losing money with crypto. And that is, they are not fully utilizing all the benefits that crypto offers. You're probably thinking like, what are you talking about? I'm talking about staking. I'm talking about lending. I'm talking about DeFi. The crypto space has a ton of different ways that you can earn money. Most people simply buy a coin, they hold on to it, and they hope that 1 month or 1 year from now, it goes up and they make a ton of money. But there are many ways in the crypto space where you can make a ton of money. For example, on BlockFi, if you simply hold your coins on BlockFi, you'll be able to earn interest every single day on the coins you're holding. And this interest gets compounded, so the longer you hold, the more money you are going to make. Also, if you want to check out BlockFi, use that link in the description box below and you can get up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin. Personally, I'm a big fan of BlockFi. I hold a couple coins on there, and every single day, those coins earn me even more money. it is a win-win situation. Also, the interest rates that you can get on BlockFi and a ton of other platforms are amazing compared to what your local bank can give you. So personally, I like to take full advantage of all the opportunities in the crypto space. Also, DeFi is absolutely amazing. You are able to use your crypto as collateral in order to take out loans to make even more money. The crypto space offers endless opportunities to make money. You just have to dig a little bit deeper, do a little bit of research, and then you'll be able to make even more profits. So the majority of people that invest in crypto, they pass up on a ton of money. They lose money for simply not taking advantage of all the awesome features that the crypto space has to offer. And now let's talk about reason number 3 why people lose money investing in the crypto space. And that is they invest in poop coins, meme coins, whatever you want to call them. This year we have seen a ton of these coins come out of nowhere. And a lot of people make a ton of money off of these coins. But the majority of people end up losing. They simply get in too late, or the projects end up being complete scams. A lot of these meme coins end up rug pulling, and everybody that invests in them pretty much ends up losing money. Also, a lot of these coins have no utility whatsoever. So they are pretty much hype based. So they might go up for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months in a row. Like every single day, they are pumping higher and higher. And then as soon as you invest in one of these meme coins, it ends up crashing and you end up losing money. A lot of these poop coins are what the name says. They are poop coins. There's simply way too many meme coins out there, and it is very, very difficult to determine which one is going to be around a month from now, which one is not going to rug pull, which one is not going to be a total scam. So a lot of people that invest in crypto will jump into the meme space and they're going to end up losing money. But don't get me wrong, there's a ton of opportunities in these meme coins to make huge profits, like 1000x or even 10,000x. Just depends on the project. Just depends on your luck, really. Sometimes you're going to make a ton of profits. Sometimes you're going to get rug pulled and you're going to end up losing everything that you have made so far. It is extremely, extremely risky. Personally, I do invest in meme coins, but I do not invest large amounts of money. The majority of my money is in solid long-term plays like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, VeChain, Polkadex, Polkadot, and a ton of other awesome projects. But I do take a small amount of money and I do dabble into these meme coins in the hopes that one of them will become the next Dogecoin and it will make me a ton of money. But the money that I'm using to invest in these meme coins is money that I can afford to lose. When I invest $500 or $1,000 into a meme coin, I'm simply like gambling the money. I know if I invest $1,000 that I can wake up tomorrow and that $1,000 can be a big zero. And I am perfectly fine with that, and I'm perfectly fine with taking that risk. But the money I use is a very, very small percentage of my entire crypto portfolio. I think it is less than half a percent of my entire portfolio. So it is money that I can afford to lose. But remember guys, make sure to do your own research before you invest in any meme coin. And as always, I am not a financial advisor. Do not take this as financial advice. And now let's move on to reason number 4 why people end up losing money investing in crypto. And that is they do not take profits. Personally, I'm a big fan of taking profits and especially taking out my initial investment. So let's say I invested $1,000 into Cardano, and then a month from now, my $1,000 becomes $2,000 or $3,000. The first thing that I do is I take out my initial $1,000, and then the rest, I simply let it ride and let it make me even more profits. And then when the price continues to rise, I start taking out even more profits. So that has been my strategy pretty much the entire bull run. A lot of people end up purchasing a coin and then that coin goes up 200%, 400%, or even 600%. but they do not sell anything. They simply hold on to their profits in the hopes that it will do another 600% next week. But then the markets turn and the coin starts dropping even more. Next thing you know, they're in the negative and they end up selling for a loss instead of taking gradual profits on the way up. So I always recommend taking some profits off the table. And now let's talk about reason number 5 why a lot of people end up losing money in the crypto space, and that is they simply hold on for way too long. They do not realize that the crypto market has cycles. We have bear cycles and we have bull cycles. Bear cycles can last multiple years. Bull cycles are a little bit shorter. So a lot of people that are new to crypto, they do not jump into crypto in the bear market. They simply wait until everyone is talking about it when the crypto market is back in full swing. It is trending all over TikTok. It is trending all over Twitter. It is trending all over the news networks. When everyone starts talking about crypto, these new people end up jumping in. And they jump in at the middle or at the very top of the market. And then they buy up some coins and they simply hold on for way too long, thinking the coins are going to continue to rise because the market is hot right now. But most of the times when the masses start flooding into the crypto space, that is a great sign that the market is getting close to its peak. And then it starts correcting. And a lot of people do not have enough time or do not have enough gains in order to sell to lock in some profits before the market starts crashing. And we all know when the crypto market crashes, it crashes big time. You can crash 10% in a day or 50% in a single day. And a lot of new investors are simply not built for this type of volatility, so they end up losing money. But it is very difficult and close to impossible to predict the tops and the bottoms in crypto. So a lot of people end up buying in the bull run and they end up holding for way too long. And next thing you know, we are in a full swing bear market. And all those people that bought in at the top will end up losing money. Alright everybody, that is all I have for you today. Let me know in the comment section below, have any of these reasons caused you to lose money investing in crypto? Let me know which one. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below. And if you have any questions, comment section. See you in the next video. Peace out.